Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Python data classes, introduced in Python 3.7, are a powerful feature that simplifies the creation of classes for storing data. They provide an easy way to define classes without having to write boilerplate code for methods like __init__, ___, repair ___, and ___, eq ___. What are data classes? Data classes are a decorator that automatically adds special methods to classes. They are great for creating classes that primarily store data and provide a clear structure for that data. Benefits of data classes. 1. Less boilerplate. You don't have to write repetitive code for initializers, string representations, and equality checks. 2. Readability. Data classes make the code easier to read and understand, as they clearly define the data structure. 3. Immutability. You can create immutable data classes by using the frozen equals true parameter. 4. Type annotations. Data classes encourage the use of type annotations, which improves code clarity and helps with static type checking. How to create a data class. Here's a step-by-step tutorial including code examples. Step 1. Import the data class module. To use data classes, you need to import the data class decorator from the data classes module. Step 2. Define a data class. You can create a data class by using the @data class decorator above a class definition. Here's a simple example. Output *. Step 3. Using data class features. 1. Automatic __, init __, method. The __, init method is generated automatically based on the class variables. 2. Automatic __, repair __, method. The __, repair method is also generated, which provides a nice string representation of the object. 3. Automatic __, eq method. The __, eq method is generated to compare two instances based on their data. 4. Default values. You can assign default values to the fields. 5. Immutability. To make a data class immutable, set frozen equals true. Conclusion. Data classes are an excellent way to manage and represent data in Python. They reduce boilerplate code, improve readability, and enforce a structure that can help prevent errors. By using data classes, you can focus more on the logic of your application rather than the intricacies of class definitions. This feature has made working with data more efficient and enjoyable for Python developers. Additional resources. Python official documentation on data classes, https://docs.python.org/3/library/dataclasses.html. Real Python data classes tutorial, https://realpython.com/python-data-classes. Feel free to experiment with the above examples and modify them to suit your needs.